Last night, I had an idea before bed.
You had a big idea.
I was looking at the drone videos, and it made me realize that this house didn't come with plans. Where are you going?
I'm going to look at the salon, the ceiling.
No, we're gonna go outside here. I realized when we bought this house, we asked for the plans, the floor plan and the ceiling. There was no plans. So unfortunately, I didn't do enough due diligence because the roof work, Jenny was so hot to get started that the roof work started a little too quickly.
It's always my fault.
Yeah. And I realized something on the drone footage last night, that above the living room, there's this whole space above the living room. That's where our ceiling starts, right there. That's where our ceiling is.
In the living room, that's where
in the living room.
That's the height of the ceiling.
Yep. So right here, yeah, because we don't see this thing. So that's outside the top. So
you would get all that space.
All that space right there above would be visible.
Then why didn't we see this before? I
didn't know anything was up there. I didn't know that was the case. I mean, can you believe I'm being blamed for this? In Europe, they do a little different when they do it with this stone building, is they use a concrete floor to tie the building together. They used to use wood beams, and in America we use wooden beams. But here, they just build 4 walls and then pour a concrete slab to create the ceiling, and it ties the whole house together. We could lay beams across the ceiling and knock the concrete floor out, and then we would have a vaulted ceiling way, way above, all the way up. So we'd have like 15-foot ceiling.
Can you imagine? We would have, let's go into the salon, let me take a look. Yeah. See this ceiling right here, if we can actually take that down and make it taller. Unfortunately, the roof has already gone up with the installation. The idea that we had is to make the salon ceiling higher. So we could do like a cathedral ceiling with wood beams, right?
Yeah, we'd have to, again, inside, they tore it off. We'll have to wait till they get the other side off to really look in there and see again.
Let's go find Marvin and Manu.
Okay.
Dis-moi.
Peut-être, si c'est possible.
Ici?
Oui.
Ah
non. No?
On a posé l'isolation.
I know. Sinon, c'est OK, parce que je ne savais pas qu'il y a un space.
Oui, il y a un espace. Mais c'est une dalle, là. Hein? C'est un plafond en béton.
Oui.
Beams.
Peut-être on peut mettre le poutre en bois. Peut-être 3 gros poutres en bois.
J'ai fait là.
Sinon, it's okay.
Wait.
It's okay. Sinon, it's okay.
Mais il faut aller voir parce que c'est un mur porteur, donc il faut aller voir.
Après, moi je suis pris sur le. Il y a un mur ici. Là.
Oui, un mur de refend. Hein.
Voilà.
Ouais.
Par contre, moi mon isolation elle est posée déjà.
Oui, j'ai vu.
Donc si.
On peut pas.
On peut pas. Si on peut toujours.
You say we can't.
Si
270.
So what Manu is telling us is that the center of the ceiling is actually not
right
in
here.
the center.
This is the center.
So
it wouldn't look right.
Yeah. So to lift the ceiling up wouldn't look right.
You'd have it go up here and then over here. That would look bizarre. Yeah, that would not look good.
Okay.
If it was in the center, it would look great.
What'd you get?
I hope. Ah, yes.
Oh, that's your little demo tool that you need.
My angle, so this will work good on the tile. So we'll see how this works. I hope it's the right tip. We'll see.
We have Manu and his crew over here today, starting the demo work on the outside. We're going to take that wood beam off, and then he's going to cover it with concrete so Teddy can put stone on it early next year when he has all his bones better. The grill is coming off.
The grill is coming off. Jen, stay away, please. Jenny would be 1 foot away from them, right in it. House is really coming along. We got our roof on there. That's awesome. Okay, first step done. This is one of my least favorite things. This is why I didn't like doing construction when I was young. Insulation. I hate the stuff. It gets in your throat. It's just really nasty. So you got to wear some protective equipment. I had on some regular glasses. They're not going to work. So I got the heavy duty glasses. These are a lot better. They surround the face. And I've got the face mask. You got to make sure that you take care of yourself.
Daily wrap up.
All right, let's just see what we did today. So if you look inside, I tore down the entire ceiling to get ready for Friday when Victor brings the beam, which Jenny's happy about.
I cannot believe how much you and the workers have done in 2 days.
Well, that's what happens when you have a young, strapping young man like myself.
That's true. A lot done, a lot.
All right, so here's what Manu and his team did. Check this out. They got both of the beams out, and they really went to town on this thing.
Took the grill off.
Took the grills off, gave it so much more light in there, and you can see that we're ready to pour some concrete up there and make some beams.
Yeah, I think that's going to happen the end of this week.
Yeah, we had a little problem with the beam up here with some rot, but luckily we were able to save most of the beam, so we didn't have to take that beam out as well. I want to show you inside the VMC. That was something we really wanted to get taken care of because of the
mold issue.
Yeah, the mold issue. So here we go. They did it. And if you put your hand up there gently, you can feel the air being sucked out. It's ultra quiet, right, Jenny? We were worried about the noise.
Yeah, I don't hear anything. And we could put some really nice grills up there.
Yeah, we actually don't need to have the thing, the ugly plastic thing that goes up there. We'll be able to put something beautiful there. But it's always on. The fan is always just gently running and sucking the humidity out of the
I'm
air.
very happy to have that now for that ventilation and for the mold issue.
Yeah, and we have it in 3 rooms, the 2 bathrooms and my bedroom, which are the most damp and dank. Oh yes, well you see this is why it doesn't get any good ventilation, because the house is right up against the earth. So the earth is always just breathing its humidity into the house. So we're pretty hopeful that that will stop it. Yeah, and you can see how it's right on the edge here. So that's why there's so much humidity in this back room. There was a tree right here that I cut down. Yeah, it was right there, and I cut it down, and it opened up and got some air circulating back behind the house, luckily. And there we go. There's the first bit of our roof. Look at that.
Now, the insulation's already under that, correct?
Yes, it is. That's our new roof right there.
Yeah, that's the new roof. I love it.
Yeah, it's better than I thought it would look. I'm very happy with it.
And over the years, it will patina.
That's right.
And have that old look to it.
Right. All right, well, that wraps up another day at the Petit Jardin Secret.
The little secret garden.
And we'll see you guys tomorrow.
À demain. À bientôt.
À bientôt.